Yamaha Rhino 450 won't start. This video details the factory troubleshooting procedures for a Yamaha Rhino 450 that will not start up and begin to work. Make sure you download the Rhino 450 repair manual before performing repair work on your vehicle. The Yamaha Rhino download repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. Go to 911manual.com to download the Rhino 450 repair manual straight to your computer or tablet in seconds. When you get to the website, select the make, model and year, then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for download Yamaha Rhino 450 repair manuals.